Hello students, welcome back to our previous chapter called Development of Economics. That is the first chapter as I have mentioned you. So you must have done 3 questions. What is development? And development goals vary from person to person, and sometimes development goals are conflicting too. Right? So 3 questions we did in the previous class. Now we are continuing with that. So now we have the next topic is people look for mixed goals. What is mixed goals here? In life, if I give you, let us take 2 examples to understand X and Y. Fine. X has a salary of 1 lakh rupees per month and Y has a salary of 10,000 rupees per month. Okay. X lives in the country where there is no security, no respect, no law and order. And Y lives in a country where all above mentioned things are perfectly fine. High security, high respect and high law and order. Means everything is in sync. Do you understand? Sync में सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है उसकी country में. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. Which example suits you to be a developed person or a developed country? I hope everybody would say the Y. So here the question is this, that mixed goals means that we do not always look for money as our development. We also look for other factors, right? So these are the other factors that I have just mentioned you. So question 4 would be, why do people look for mixed goals? So you have answer of this question in your NCERT page number 5. Here it is called income and other goals, right? This you have to read, which is very easy. Here it is written that people like to have equal treatment, freedom, security, respect. They resent discrimination. So that means ऐसी कोई जगह जहाँ पे बहुत भेदभाव होता हो आपके साथ, तो आप ऐसी जगह पे रहना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं करेंगे. सो इनकम के साथ हमारी लाइफ में जीने के लिए और भी अदर गोल्स होते हैं, इसीलिए लोग मिक्स गोल्स को पसंद करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. सो फॉर डेवलपमेंट पीपल लुक for mixed goals. So you will get answer here with the example. Here it is a complete example given. You can read and write it very easily. That is very simple and very important question from board's point of view. It comes most of the time that why do people look for mixed goals. So I am repeating once again, income is not the only criteria of development in our life. So apart from this, money is not the only criteria. Apart from this, we look for many other things which help us in living our life peacefully and harmoniously, right? So we have done this 4th question, or you can say the 4th topic. Apart from this, we have national development. So the next topic comes, what is national development? So let us take example of 3 people. Let us ask them. A से पूछते हैं, बी से पूछते हैं और सी से पूछते हैं कि भाई नेशनल डेवलपमेंट क्या है. हमने अपनी डेवलपमेंट की तो बात करी ही ली इंडिविजुअली एज वी डिस्कस्ड इन अबव 3 क्वेश्चंस. फाइन. सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट कंट्रीज डेवलपमेंट. नेशन की डेवलपमेंट क्या होती है. अब ए से पूछते हैं तो कहता है कि मेरे कंट्री में स्कूल्स बहुत कम हैं, तो लेट्स हैव मोर स्कूल्स, देन माई कंट्री वुड बी मोर डेवलप्ड as compared to the B. B says, let us have more hospitals in my country. And C says, let us have more sports complex in my country. Fine. So these we lack in these respective areas according to A, B and C. So and assume करते हैं गवर्नमेंट के पास सिर्फ 1 CR है to spend, 1 करोड़ रुपीज़ है. करेक्ट. अगर वो तीनों के पास जाएंगे तो तीनों के डेवलपमेंट गोल तो बिल्कुल अलग हैं. अब गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू टेक द डिसीजन कि कौन सा ऐसा काम किया जाए कि जो लोगों को पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो भी सेटल हो जाए और हमारी कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट में भी कोई दिक्कत ना हो. सो यहाँ पे अगेन आंसर आता है, डेवलपमेंट गोल्स फॉर नेशन ऑल्सो वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू person and sometimes they conflicting too. So जो हमने first 2 questions किए थे उसी के basis पे national development के बारे में हम लिखते हैं कि national development may be different from one person to other person. However, the government has to look after all the areas in such a way that they are not conflicting and all the groups should be catered, their demand should be catered. So this way it will help us to have a better country's development. So again I am moving to the NCERT to give you a better idea. In the next topic, it is very important to keep in mind that different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of country's development. So we have only one question here, what is nation's development? So we will start with the example of any example. See, one example is also given here, you can read that, but whatever you feel like that this example is suiting me to answer the question, so you have to write first here, this bold line you have to write first, then followed by the example. EG करके आप लिखेंगे. हमेशा याद रखिए डेफिनेशंस को पहले मेंशन कीजिए, उसके बाद एग्जाम्पल देके उसको समझाने की कोशिश कीजिए, और लास्ट में अगर आपसे हो कि क्वेश्चन का नंबर 3 मार्क है 5 मार्क है तो उसमें आप एक 1 कंक्लूडिंग लाइन भी दे दीजिए. सो इट हेल्प्स ऑलवेज फॉर द टीचर टू रीड योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एज वेल एज यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स इन दैट. सो फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन, देन एग्जाम्पल, और एक कंक्लूजन में आप अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एक भी लाइन इसके अंदर लिख सकते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा हुआ व्हाट इज नेशनल डेवलपमेंट. Right, so we will finish it today here with the 2 topics, very easy. You can go through the NCERT, then we will move on to the next topic. Thank you.